Not only do angels not bring accusations against humans, they don't even bring accusations against Satan, the devil, right? It says in Jude chapter 1 verse 9 that when the archangel Michael was actually disputing with the devil, he didn't even bring an accusation against him on his own. So we see that what is happening in the Apocrypha actually does not align with scripture, and this teaches us whether we should actually invest time and energy in studying the Apocrypha as something that will edify us as believers.